AI art is evolving faster than we can keep up with. One of the latest advancements is from Leonardo AI. They have just rolled out a cool new feature called Live Canvas. This update is really impressive and brings something amazing to the world of digital art. With this new tool, we are able to type in a prompt, draw a few lines to the canvas, and we get results live. Now to get started, we come to the main app page and see Live Canvas down here. Click on that and we are brought to this page here. You can immediately begin to draw on the canvas and get results without even adding a prompt. And as you can see, every brush stroke updates the image. You can get some very interesting results without a prompt. It's a bit like free painting. Let's take a quick look at the UI. The Select tool lets you move, resize, rotate, and delete your individual brush strokes. Erase tool is as it sounds. It basically just paints it to whatever color your background default is. It starts as black but can be changed. Add image lets you do just that. You can upload your own image, use one of your previously generated pictures from Leonardo, or even one from the community or your follower feed. And as you can see, that changes the canvas as well. Brush is your main drawing tool. It can be customized here. Clicking here lets you change the color. This is where you can change the background color if you wish. I will keep it black for now. You can change the brush size with the slider or by typing a number in here. At the top are undo and redo buttons. Above the other canvas is a cool feature that lets you bring the completed image over to the left canvas, so you can keep refining the image this way. At the bottom is some filter settings. Here you can find the seed. Turning on fixed seed will stop it from randomizing, which will give you less drastic changes between generations. Guidance controls how close your image aligns with the text prompt. The higher it is, the more it will stick to the prompt. High quality bumps up the quality at the cost of speed, but this is a premium feature also. Here's the prompt, which we have yet to touch. Let's add this. A warrior. Simple for now. Next to it is Creativity Strength Slider. Lowering this will make the image stick closer to what is on your first canvas. Higher the value, the more the AI takes over. Here is the style presets. You can go through these and get drastically different results. Last is the mode. The real time is also a premium feature, but the interactive mode doesn't feel all that much different. So I don't think you're missing out if you don't have this feature. Also, there is Instant Refine, another premium feature. It enhances the image on the canvas, upgrading its resolution to 1024 by 1024 pixels without requiring any token usage. Once you have something you're happy with, you can go up here and hit either Creative Refine or Normal Refine. Creative is the recommended one as it will give more detail, but Normal will keep it closer to the original. They each cost 8 tokens. We can find our finished products in the personal feed. And there it is. Not too bad. There are a lot of possibilities, and you could get lost in here for hours just playing with the live canvas. I hope this helped you get started and that you enjoy your time in Leonard AI.